Okay, now let's go to the question. Okay, yeah, next question. In a certain language, Raman is coded as 18113114114. Then how will Kapila be coded? Okay. One one six 1191. Okay, let's solve this question. C C.
C tare.
Okay, Raman is 1811311 na quote we have any. Adu target Kapila se kuna kamai tawraga quote tawbada we have any, right? Okay. So now so the kuna mu letter gi place haiba makhangba madakar oi, right? Kuna Raman. Karina quote taweba 1811 and then 3114. Okay, so tau se kem note my place to the tawni ko R has a ABCD thirako matam da 18 place to lay bagi 18 na quote taw. Okay, and then A has a kind of first letter and it will be coded as 1, and then M is M is na kaya na quote taw na have. What is M? M is 13, right? A is also 1, right? And N is 14. Smile up ni aduna Kapila haiba matam da, right? So AD1 ne quote as you know to 1 1, right? Aduna yengo irai line na kya dana hai ba? What is the option now? 1 na loiba thiyo aduga marak to 1 na hoba marak to second the 1 na laiba ma. So option C ma laire D ma laire ani ji manung da oine hai ba di khange. Okay, ai samjha la koi wari ni ko. Now okay, yeng si even K is a place A B C D thirako matam da kaya subada laigan. What is that place?
11
11, right? So it's 11 la. Okay, now how about P?
16
down. Okay. अब तो फिर idea ले रहा मनी करम बले रहे 1 1 1 1 मरी and 16. So option number C से तारन. Okay. यार को अतः होत्र सु यार just अदु माइना अपन ना करना तो बे इधर लाइना कोई pattern जो arrange तो बे. All right. Okay. Now coming back to the question, ngasai ki interview ki question do kari ba koi kendra vidyalaya gi. Okay, nang kai subject to na changu jo. Which subject?
Ai science ki ne sir.
Science. Okay. Can you get PGT ra or TGT ra?
PGT ki da.
PGT ki da. Okay. Okay. Science or even na man question.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Interview question to ma has 3024 hong bakanda 24 na divide to matamda ma has 24 tawraga ko ni yelise kai gino na hai bane. Okay. Now
subject na right side tame
minus to bakanda na 11 side tame
divide tarogana side na tame mana da baram ko gino.
Okay. Minus to by the akoina first of all akoina khang du se keno division hai je kana gi shortcut method no. Division is a shortcut of subtraction. Subtraction to be shortcut was doing. Okay. First of all, now mana hangai ju adu concept to the hangpane nang je khangbran haidi minus to matam da di sumaina left side gi sum tawre adu ga division to matam da na right side gi hore adu hai ji di same operation haidi division to hai ji ju kem na te nang gi subtract su sum tawra ga la u hai gi wane ba adu i concept to khangbran na hang gi wane now the thing is that right side to lak gi maram se kai you know ta this is by number system. Okay, number system gi matung ina lakani 3025 24 haiba kanda koina si koina still like even number system je this number system we call it as take away koina decimal ka we go decimal haiba atati all the number system are based on 0 dagi horaga 9 buki number katane ba koina sin na duije. Okay, computer does sin riba language na what we call as binary ka binary na kai haiba 0 ga 1 ga sin na ka right. So when a single number is decimal, the single numbers all are from 0 to 9. 0 they have 9 book number name. Now decimal is even see first of all the 1000 place the kaido and then matung the 0 into kya lakwa, right? This is what 100 lakani plus 2 into 10 lakani and then 4 lakani. Aduna kaido hai consider angang like tapo kan mo sumai haram ngani acho boje hana yen to wana. Okay, so acho boje hana yen to gi wane 3000 hai se hana divide to the yaro hai. Okay, sigi concept hai je 3024 do kaido ba mi 24 the yellow adu ta te kaya phangani hai bane division na ta uri se kem na te 3024 to 24 na yen to ko matam da the phangiba quotient do adu mi ama man phangdoi ne ba hai lupa taruk lai re na onda lupa taruk se mi ahum de yellow hai tar ga di mi kya phangni amam na phangoi do. So what we are doing here is that we divided by 6 aduga 0 ta han one si concept ne ta uri aduna kai do ga ga kan first achau bo ja na koina hana yen to kane right achau bo ji yen bo lora matung da macha jing je si mu yen thorak tam tam yen thorak koi wane adu bo koina samjal la kan da that koina ke what division na koina to gi wane. Actually this is nangi kan hu yeng na ba hanga ko question it is not sigi correct answer adu da hai budi laite ko seng hai tar ga nangi presence of mind yeng ko gi wani and then nang ka am confident lai na khum ge do yeng gi wani. Okay, so moi na khangning is a division do shortcut of subtraction ne hai buje na the idea laibra laitabra that they are testing. Okay, do we test of one and nothing else. Okay, yan tai ko yung thado daga 6 ahum la khai do kan 0 ta do ne ba right natro samjal la kan da ko na division hai ba gi wani and nothing else adu gi logic to moi na hang ba gi wan. Let's continue with our session now. Okay, coding tawre right. Okay, so let's move to the okay, ranking and sequence tau sing asi yani ko ranking and reasoning di am thuna loi gan ranking and sequence adi reasoning de koi kaisi am kan tau ni ai laite tam ni ai su kaisi laite. Okay, right. So ranking ai ta agadi first second third fourth adu minor arrange tau ba adagi mu sequence oina arrange tau ba. Okay, suguma question je UPSC di am hangi ko ranking do base tau question je yengji question ama eta ho very basic question. Colored and Hansika. Hansika is then Ashok is taller than Who is the shortest in the group? Okay. Why neighbor to kanano na hangman? Okay. Right. So me, okay, 1, 2, 3, right? 4. Okay. Same thing.
Athai tar. Athai tar.
D chứ ta được.
Abe tane hai ba, alok tane hai ba.
B B
D.
number D
D.
number D.
D. Okay. So comparison tau hai bani, right? So comparison tau matam sida okay. Akoy na amakak sinay ko. 3 is 2 dagi greater hoita this sign. Greater than hai bani ko. Sumaina akoy sinners. Yung bine na kanada gi yan lewa. Bine na dollar than Hansika. Right? So bine ito na Hansika dagi hele, right? And Hansika namu kanada hele hai ba. Hansika is taller than Abe. Okay? So Hansika namu kanada hele hai ba. Abe dagi hele. Right? So these are the given. And Alok is taller than Asok. Alok namu kanada hele. Alok namu Asok dagi hele. Right? And Asok namu kanada gi hele. Asok dagi mo. Asok namu Bine dagi hele. Right? Now, yung si ahan was the yung Bine na kanada gi wang bele Hansika dagi. Hansika namu kanada gi wang bele. Abe dagi. That is here combine tauraga. If we combine this, so Bine greater than Hansika. Hansika namu kanada gi Abe dagi sumaina lakan. Alright. Dagi mo si so mo compare tauraga. Alok, Asok, and then Bine is my lakan. Right? Now, who is the shortest in the group 5 name? Okay. Now, guys, something. Did I miss something? Asok is taller than Asok is Alok is taller than Asok, right? Asok is taller than Bine, right? Okay. Right. Ado ita yung ani siyang mo combine tawag yabra. Yeah. Bine na kanada hiyal haba. Bine na Hansika this. They loy hen nina. Adagi ado ita di si ani siyang mo combine tawag matanda. Okay kayo pang Alok pangani, Asok pangani, and then Bine pangani, right? But Bine na di kanada hiyal. Hansika da isu hiyal. And then Abe da isu hiyal. Ado di kway niyang basi kanata ni Abe tar ni. So this is the answer. Yara. Yani ko. So sugum baje ko na kay kawe haba. This is we call as sequencing, okay? Yara ko. Okay. Let's do some more question on that. But Shima, who is the eldest? Okay. Yeah. Assume Shima younger brother Swan is older than Sita. And then Sweta is younger than Dipti but elder than Shima, who is the eldest. Right.
D ta do man.
Okay. Okay, Yingzi. Shima younger brother, right, is older than Sita. Then who is the eldest? Right. First of all, let's see. Shimagi younger brother haibam lere. Shimagi younger brother na Sita de hiana hanbani na. Shima is greater than Sita haibai. Is that okay? Like Shima is greater than Sita. Now, Sweta ramu kya hai? Sweta is younger than Dipti. Sweta lere. Sweta de kanana halle haiba. Dipti na. Dipti na haladi Dipti na somla ani. Right? But elder than Sima. Sweta azinam kanada gis. Koi haiba. Sima dagi di halle haibani. Sima dagi di halle haibani na. Sweta will be greater than Sima. Now, the question is, who is the eldest cycle? Eldest kana hoigi. Si ani jo combine to boy ko na. That means Dipti laani, Sweta laani, Sima laani, and then Sita laani. Right? Kana na koi eldest were. So Dipti is the eldest. Is that okay? Yanika. Now let's do one more question. Yes. So minus same bagi wani ko. Nang somda nang hinaragana somda gi left gi same aga right ta helan ge su yai or sumina notation tawraga same ge su. That is up to you. Okay. So let's write down the next question. It's all P Q T A and B have different heights. T is taller than B and B was shorter than A and Q. P is not the shortest. Who is the tallest? Right. Okay, let's solve this.
None tarnish.
None.
Decide to we are.
Decide to where. Any other option?
Decide to ya desa man.
Decide to where. Okay, yes, we go. T is in a Canada gi T is greater than P and B have P ga B the gi right? Adubu shorter than A and Q. That means T the gi Canada mu A and Q na mu and P is not the shortest. P is quite the not the shortest, quite name was not tallest kana again. Tallest a coin, tallest or do kana either A or Q or either. Organic. Akuna kana kai we're gonna have quite the tallest kana organic. Tallest will be either A or Q organic, but we cannot decide. Right? I will decide to be added. So the option is none. Right? Okay, Jareko. Right. Next among games. 2010 question number games ko UPSC the hang you. Let's see that. 2010 UPSC, right? Where we have a question. Question kitang disang. Right? Is the eldest in the group. Not poorest. Right? R is the richest. R is the richest, but not the eldest, but not the eldest. Q is elder than S, but not elder than. Kitang twist out because it. So you have to your R. Is lesser than Q, not lesser than S. Okay. Arrange them in decreasing order of their S and money. Okay, solve this.
Option B di maneri.
B di male, confirm or no?
Maneri sheba, maneri sheba.
Okay, mannerism. Okay.
Option ani maneri ba.
Karam mannerism taro. Option number B ga PR. Oh, CQS wala. Sorry. Hey, na E but sorry. PR QS RS PQ. Okay. PR QS RS Q. PR S
D
RS
D
RS
D tadu mal. D tadu mal edut.
D. Decreasing order hai bani ko. So you have to be very careful. Okay.
No, decreasing nice.
Decreasing level.
D tadu.
D tane ba. Lock kiya jai tawre ha. Okay. Any other? Ani dong ani koma hai je. Amana A sama and then money ama. Yes ta kana na kwai gi kana taw bama and then money ama. Right? Tai di kya tare? Amadi D hai kare. Okay. So data se ani dong na koi na kana taw ta hot pata amana chahi da hot pa ma amana paisa da hot pa ma. S की हाँ होल जरा P Q R S is the question look at me P is the eldest I bani na S की है kind of P do na quite top the eldest I did quite top the thumb quite okay ranking wise same jai bra or kamai same sika same to suya budi यार P is the eldest I bani P is top the thumb quite C mathak to legend quite eldest ne no low okay S wise adagi R is not the eldest, right? R is not the eldest. Q is older than S, right? Q is na kaya hai older than S. Q na kanadi hele. Q na S tagidi hele, but not elder than P or R. I have the Q is kanadi di less we have P or R tagidi less we have. Is that okay? That means kaigumba I S wise I na kaigumba sindok taraga D. P will be at the first eldest already. Adu matuna kana lakane du dia. P lakani, R lakani, Q lakani, S lakani la oidra. Is that okay? You know, I can the Q do not S the gidi chow re but Q do not Canada gi less or high P or R. The question now P is the eldest I mean P na R is P S wise distribute tota the P lani, R lani, then Q lani, and then we have S.
Yes.
Right? Okay, so the option number D is Landra.
Lali siya.
Okay, option number D is Lali ko. The hiram is
Si B da sundoy na siya.
the Tagani ko. Kayun hai kanda sahi the apna sindra ko matanda my lakane eldest that is my down lak to ne decreasing order I mean P R Q S okay atai hotra su yara brother de yadri S P R Q S ni yaw P R Q S so B or C marakta lere. Now in terms of money ki the yengse money the comparison if you compare in terms of money yengse kanana kwai paisa hai na pai yengse P is the P P is not the poorest album delay. P is the last delay we have the and then R is the recess album. R the recess we have in a paisa quite 5 R. Okay, so R na 5 top delay. Right? Okay, then P is richer than Q, but not richer than S. P is na Q the heli, but not S. P is na Canada the heli, Q the heli. Okay, but not richer than S I bani na the S na P the hen bata bani, right? Adu R na quite richer way bani na R na quite the later. So R S P Q, right? That's my EROI. So this is how. So the correct option is 2000 UPSC question. Yaniko, right? Next question number yings. Okay. Now, how's it now? Mo kedawa. I have to talk sabra kang disi. Position based question amma ka yings. Position based I taraga di yings ka. Suppose ranking wise or horizontally or vertically kon areas tawba matanda. Yings top virus suppose first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. So E in the first, B second, C, D, E. A is in the first position from the top, right? B second, C third, D in the fourth position. It's not from the top, right? From top. But if I want to count from the from the bottom the thigala kya hai the bottom ki word kamai to bottom wise the thigala kya hai the E is in a kya tani E is in the first tani D in a kya tani second E will be third B will be fourth and A will be fifth. Is that okay? I'm gonna bottom the thigala pa I'm gonna smile now the diyo ni mangalay total people kya no here total is 5. Position of D is yung. If the position of D is position of D from the top se kya I have a position of D from the top se forward. Now I'm asking what is the position of D from the bottom the oita ragadi kya ta agada kya kanda kya ta second tabra D ki position se second type, right? Now see D position second tar is a mathematical way the combine of how to find this D कैम नते total people to क्या नो क्या है बा 5 मागी from the top की position दो मक खाइदो पिरो from the top and then plus 1 add to बतो that is the answer यानी okay यानी को अदुदना the question number what can tell us question number yengsi so top की position to the bottom की position पुथो कहता दी hotel to खाइदो अम add to okay same goes for bottom piramaga top the ranking पुथो कहता it goes like that right okay so let me write down the next question with the yengsi yani kang sidia aina hana so pe takra ba kal so let's say in a class of 45 students he is 15 from the top he is a 15 from the top then the rank of A from the bottom the gidi kaya hoy gidi gi na hangad okay so what should be the answer 30 32 31 and then 35 very simple question please answer सीधी हमला है क्या तानी हूं
सीता
yung total क्या नो 45 मागी rank from the top से ना क्या 15 okay so what is the answer solution देखो मागी bottom दगी मागी rank पुथो कहता थी 45 to दगी minus rank from the top क्या नो 15 and then plus 1 thousand so this will be 31 so 31 is the answer okay now let me give you one question I'm atu with very quickly because it's now less than 1 minute adu dogan no happy tam hol so let me write down Ibrahim siko numbers in the row 40 now becomes 10